Hello Kisansathis. Here in this chapter, we will learn about the workflow of Kisanlink. So let us take you through the process workflow step by step. Courses modules. In the first step, we will have course modules available for you on products and services that would be needed by the farmers. You can take these courses on mobile application or website based on your convenience. Evaluation and certifications. Our team of experts will evaluate if you have completed the course module and gained sufficient knowledge. After evaluation, you will be certified and would be eligible to sell these products and services to the farmers. Sales. Once the entire course module and evaluation process are completed, you are now in a position to assist farmers with their problems. Based on the requirement of the farmers, you can help them in choosing the best product and service from the variety of options available on the platform. Incentive. Here at Kisanlink you will not just learn about agriculture and impart knowledge to the farmers, but will also get help to earn incentives in the form of commission. With every sale made to the farmers, you will get a part of the value credited to your account. You need to complete a course, take the assessment, and secure above 70% to get the certificate. Please note, a product service would be unlocked and can be sold to a farmer only after you are certified for the same. In the next chapter, let's see in more detail how Kisanlink will help you to have the best career ahead in your life.